What's up, family status? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make your own soil. So there are several different ways you can make your own soil. Different things you can use to make your own soil are peat moss, cocoa, topsoil, compost, grass clippings, leaves, perlite, and red clay. You don't have to mix all of these together to make your own soil. Two great things about making your own soil. The first thing is that you can save a lot of money. And the second thing is that you can save a lot of money. Because check this out, if you bought two of these, it will cost $16. But if you bought one of these, it will cost $11. So would you rather buy 3 cubic feet of soil for $16 or 3 cubic feet of soil for $11? Because the only reason this costs more than this is because the nutrients are already mixed together. So basically, the only thing you're paying for is convenience. So today, I'm gonna show you how to mix your own nutrients in your own soil. I know your next question is, what kind of nutrients can I mix with my soil? There are a ton of different nutrients you can mix with your soil. Some examples are bone meal, blood meal, worm castings, and some type of all-purpose fertilizer. Today, I'm gonna mix our soil with the all-purpose fertilizer, black cow, and perlite. And you don't have to use perlite. Perlite is optional. The only reason why I'm using perlite today is because I want to show you how to make your soil look exactly like the soil you buy from the store. So the first thing we're going to use is peat moss. And check it out. As you can see, it looks very similar to cocoa. That's why I say cocoa is a great alternative for peat moss. Alright, so check this out. This is what 3 cubic feet of soil looks like. You see this? And this is a 55-gallon storage container. So check that out. That's how much soil you get for $11. The next thing we're going to add to our soil is some nutrients, because peat moss doesn't have any food in it for your plants. That's why you have to make sure you add nutrients to your soil. And this is basically what you're paying a lot of money for, is to have your nutrients already mixed in with your soil. That's why I want to show you guys how easy it is to do it yourself. So now we're going to add some black cow. And this is going to add life to our soil. Now we're going to add some perlite. And remember what I said. Perlite is optional. You don't have to add this to your soil. And you don't even have to use the whole bag. And next, we're gonna add some more food in our soil for our plants. And check it out. All this basically is alfalfa meal, bone meal, kelp meal, and different things like that. And it's organic. And it also has a low NPK, so if you're a beginner, it lowers the chances of you burning your plants. Check it out. This is what it looks like. That should be good. So all we have to do now is mix these together. And it's gonna look just like the soil you buy from the store. And it's that easy to make your own soil. And if you want, you can also mix soil that's in your backyard with this, so you can stretch it out even more and save more money. And if you can't find any peat moss, topsoil is a great way to go. That's usually the other route we take if we can't find peat moss, because topsoil is also cheap because it doesn't have any nutrients in it for your plants. You have to mix those in yourself. So remember, when you pay for an expensive bag of soil, the only thing you're paying for is for them to mix the nutrients for you. That's it. Today I'm gonna plant 2 different varieties of cantaloupe in these containers. This one right here is a Hearts of Gold cantaloupe, and this is a Hills Jumbo cantaloupe. See how loose and fluffy that is? It's perfect for your plants. It's perfect for containers, and it's also perfect for loosening up your red clay. Now we're gonna plant 2 Hearts of Gold cantaloupe seeds in this container. And this is what the seeds look like. So we're gonna plant one right there. And we're gonna plant 2 Hills Jumbo cantaloupe seeds in this container. And remember, you don't have to use this exact same mix. This is just to give you an idea of how to make your own soil. But if you want to use this exact same mix, you can. But you can add stuff, you can do things different. You can do it however you want to do it. Just remember 2 things when making your own soil that's important. Make sure your soil has great drainage, and make sure your soil has food for your plants.